Hey guys, in this video I want to demonstrate and show you how to change the water filter on a Samsung dual door French door style fridge. Now the one I have here has got the flex door and the two doors at the bottom, but most French door style Samsungs will be very similar way to change the water filter. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, we're gonna look at the water filter. The location of the water filter is right here in the front, and you gotta basically push this slightly in while spinning counterclockwise to unlock the filter. So what you do is push, and the filter should just pull right out. Sometimes you'll get a little water that drips out. That's fine, we'll wipe it off a little bit later. The filter style these take are the HAF-CIN-EXP filters. Now what I've opted out to use is I've opted to use the Pure line, which is a completely 100% compatible replacement filter for Samsung style fridges and Kenmore. So I bought these because these are, you get 3 for a lot better price. That way you can have them at the house every 6 months. You don't have to go out and buy new filters. So these are actually really nice. Once you get to the filter, you'll notice it'll have a cap. Make sure you take this cap off before install. And make sure that your 2 O-rings are completely sealed. That way you don't have to deal with any leaks in the future. So the install is essentially the same way. What you want to do is you push it in, and while you're pushing, you rotate now clockwise, and the filter should lock into place. It will make a small sound as it installs in most cases, as it releases air as it pushes into the hole where the water gets filtered through. Now, since this is a brand new filter, the next thing you want to do is, of course, reset your water filter. So by doing so, you will hold the alarm button for 3 seconds, and the filter light will go off. And also, because this is a new water filter, what you want to do is you want to flush it out. Basically 2 gallons of water. That way if there's any leftover sediments inside the filter, you won't be drinking them and putting them inside your body. So simply get a container and do this a few times till about you get 2 gallons of water that comes out. And the first couple of sprays might be pressurized just for the air and whatnot in the filter. So and the final 2 steps will be clean up any of the water that maybe you spilled and enjoy a nice cold cup of fresh water from your new filter. Once again, I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope that this video was able to help you. If so, please like this video, and I'll also ask, if possible, if you could hit that subscribe button down below. The filter choice I used were the Pure lines. I will post a link description down below in the video, and I will also post a link to the Samsung branded filters as well, so that way you guys have some options of what you want to stick with. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.